Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making curry chickpeas with saltfish, otherwise called codfish. I'm going to be using chickpeas, 2 cans of chickpeas. I will also use coconut milk, half of bell pepper, red bell pepper, some green pepper, bell pepper, onions, some carrots, a tomato, and I love garlic. Do you love garlic? I will be using 2 cloves of garlics in this dish today. So I add my medium skillet to the stove. I turn it up to medium high. I add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to the mixture, and it's pure avocado oil. Then I had my onions, chopped onions, and I saute for about a minute. And as you can see, there's little bell pepper in there that get away in the pot. That's okay. And I saute it to the mixture, to the pot. And now I'm adding my garlic and my chopped garlic. And I saute the pot for about a minute. Then I had my curry. And this is a really good curry. I put 1 tablespoon of curry to the mixture, and I sauteed again for another minute. And then I add all my chopped vegetables there and saute again for about a minute. Oh, look how bright this is. This is wonderful. Now I will be adding my coconut milk, 1 can of coconut milk to the mixture, to my mixture. And then I saute it again stir it up for a little bit. And oh my God, look at this. It's so rich and creamy. I am stirring the pot right now. I will also add 2 cans of chickpeas to my mixture, and slowly I'll add them to my mixture, and I'll keep stirring until it's done. Now I am adding the saltfish, otherwise known as codfish, and this will give it good flavor. So I slowly added my saltfish to the mixture, and then I stir it up, and I put all those in there. Now I'm going to add my seasoning to there, and I had one Scotch bonnet pepper, a little piece of thyme. I added some water to add more liquid, and now I'm stirring the pot. And after that, I will be adding my seasoning. So I have all-purpose seasoning and just a dash of all-purpose seasoning to the mixture. And now I'll add some ground black pepper. Again, if you need it spicy, you can add whatever amount you want, but I just had a little dash. And some garlic. Garlic is always good. I did put clove garlics in there, fresh garlics, and now I'm adding some grounded garlics, and add some more season. And paprika is really good. Let's give it lots of flavor. And now I'm going to stir my pot and cover it and let it simmer for a little while. Look at that. This is so awesome. It looks creamy, rich with the coconut milk, and the curry makes it a delicious dish. Wow. This will be very tasty. Now I cover it and I let it sit for let it cook for like 10-20 minutes. And yes, and look at this, like kitchen. And it said kitchen is the heart of the home, and that's why we cooked and makes delicious food so we can have to eat. Okay, after about 15-20 minutes, look at this. It is rich, and I guarantee that it's very tasty. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe and share this recipe with your friends and families. I think they will love this recipe. This is one of my favorite recipe, and I always make curry chickpeas, but I never put codfish or saltfish in it, and it gives it amazing flavor. Chickpeas, it is so good. It's really, I put saltfish in there, or codfish. This is the first time I make it with codfish, and it is so rich and flavorful. Yeah, you have to. It's really good. This is probably my best chickpeas ever. Yeah. I think you guys should go out and try and make it. I'm actually eating it with tomato. You can see the tomato there. Olives. You get your fat from olives. Good fat, and some avocado. And I do have potato here. There's potato. You can eat it with sweet potato. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your families and friends, and please try this recipe. It's really good. This is called curry saltfish chickpeas. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.